Welcome to Groundhog Day, folks. Groundhog Day little video. Walk down the corridor. This is what I do 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Life on a cruise ship is basically this. Walk down a corridor, which is a bit like a birth canal. That's all you see. Always go into the crew mess where I'll usually have breakfast. There we go, crew mess here. Video. That's the crew mess area for breakfast. Morning. Hello. And then go a little bit of karaoke early in the morning. And then head upstairs to the restaurant. So all the fellas down there, not too sure what they do, I think they're engine fellas. And I'm heading up into the restaurant, so like I said, a bit like the birth canal. No windows, we haven't actually seen any daylight as of yet. Now we come out into the kitchen area, into the restaurant. It's always my first bit of daylight. It's always out there. And the restaurant area. So it's still breakfast time. Well, not breakfast time, it's before breakfast. Just getting set up. Started work at 4:30 or 4:45 this morning. And you see out here, we're in Deception Island, old whaling station. But as far as a job goes and working and being able to look outside the window and seeing whales and icebergs and all that, that part's pretty amazing. So anyway folks, that's life on a cruise ship. Catch you later.